aitin juk sorkar jela uba deiru menteri BDP jakatanat ke koit khiah uba wailat miki shilla hinik sngi habakran kinong thok kubor halor kamauyong CHC ula ong bakatanat ke koit khiah jong sorkar jela kalayo ya ka kai phoj bin pabin halor ke jingiaid ya MP ke Lok Sabha Dr. Ricky AJ Sungkan uMyntri katanat ke koit khiah uba wailat miki shilla ula itu bakatanat ke koit khiah ka kwa ban pynshai halor ke jingiaid lynti haka to ke janmet haka ba nagaliang ka DMHO is Kazil district kalapentip bahaka por riu san pulai janmet ka hispa highway emergency kalayo pediang ya ka phone call halor ke jingia bat ya ka kali kit nongpang lapha wut syaka jaka ka ba kalayo jingtem shu lai tu bahaka por new khatsan kala wanra ya Dr. Ricky AJ Sungkan syaki emergency jong kambawyong CHC harangkat bat kinong wan senran bat kilai tu balok kelon habai le kai football hakapor baki wanra ya Dr. Ricky uklam tip briu shu ka BP ka klam trekam bat ka jingtit jong uklang snamru ka klam pen paudak AA shu lai tu ru ban nagaliang inos ibadon duty ha ka to ka janmet la pentip shaw doktor bat ka jingirap ka bakarki lale ha ka ba lale ru ya ka CPR watla kilale ya kani unongpang uklam pen idak AA ru em shu uMyntri ulai thoro bahaka por kumbah nyau arpho la penbet pen keria barano ya Dr. Ricky Shaki jaka sumar ke ba khambyang ha ka ba nagaleng jo ka CHC mauyong kala ai ya ka kali harangkat ka oksigen ban pendon kam ya Dr. Ricky ban pynkit sha ka hospital ka ba khambyang kilat jingiaid shu lai thuru baka klikit nongpang kalapoi Robert Hospital hakpor nyau saupo janmet batla IT ya Dr. Ricky Shaki nongpet bakin ai jing sumar
all of you here regarding the sequence of event which happened at the Baoyong CHC. So the Meghalaya department, the health department, government of Meghalaya placed the following factual account on record regarding the medical attention provided to Honorable Member of Parliament Dr. Ricky AJ Sungkan at Maoyong Community Health Center CHC on the evening of 19 February 2026 based on the inspection and inquiry conducted by the District Medical and Health Officer DMHO East Khasi Hills. So these are the sequence of event as mentioned below. So firstly, that on 6:53 p.m. 108 emergency call center received a call about the event and ambulance was dispatched immediately to Maoyong Rim playground from Laumali. At approximately 7:15 p.m. Honorable MP Dr. Ricky AJ Sungkan was brought to the emergency room of Maoyong CHC by accompanying person following a reported collapse while playing football at a nearby ground. On arrival, the patient was unconscious and unresponsive. Initial assessment revealed blood pressure not recordable, pulse not palpable. The patient was immediately attended by the staff nurse on emergency duty and the medical officer on call was intimated. Oxygen support was initiated promptly. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, which is called CPR, was administered. Despite this resuscitation efforts, the patient did not respond. In view of the critical condition and non-response to initial resuscitation, the patient party was informed of the need for immediate referral to a higher facility. Referral and transport. At approximately 7:20 p.m., arrangements were made for transfer. The patient was shifted with oxygen support by the Maoyong CHC ambulance. The ambulance reached H. Robert Gordon Hospital at approximately 7:40 p.m., where the patient was handed over to the emergency team for further management. As per the medical report of Robert Hospital on arrival, the patient vitals were not recordable and pupils were also bilaterally fixed and dilated. So, out of this, the finding of the inquiry confirmed that emergency assessment and basic life support measures were initiated promptly upon the patient arrival at Maoyong CHC. The staff present acted within the scope and capacity of a community health center, including immediate examination, oxygen administration, initiation of CPR, and timely referral to a higher facility. There is no finding of refusal of care or delay in referral at Maoyong CHC. So, through this, the health department reiterate its deep condolence to the bereaved family and the people of Meghalaya. And also, we realize that sudden medical emergencies such as sudden cardiac arrest are time critical even where outcomes depend on multiple factors including patient underlying condition and immediacy of advanced life-saving intervention. So this is the inquiry report which we have sent the DMHO of East Khasi Hills to find the sequence of event in CHC Maoyong.
What about the absence of doctor there?
See, regarding the doctors, because right now in the, like already I mentioned in today's assembly question also in the house, that right now we are like in a tremendous shortage of doctors in our state. But nevertheless, there were actually 4 doctors posted at Maoyong CHC. Number 1 is Dr. Gromor Longdok. Number 2 is Dr. Amin Nongrim. A third one is Dr. Rahul C.H. Marak, and the 4th is Dr. Wandai Jo Nongtru. But out of these 4, 2 are under PG leave for higher studies, and Dr. Wandai Jo Nongtru is transferred to Clariat CHC since May because of her medical condition. So as you understand that there is only 1 doctor there. And for him also we have sent through and find out through the inquiry that he was there the whole day from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. attending OPD cases, as he is the only medical officer in charge of the CHC. He was available on call, and I already mentioned in the sequence of things which happened, the nurse, whatever she was doing, she was on call with the doctor, a bit under the doctor guidance only. So we do understand, no doubt it is very unfortunate that at that particular moment doctor was not there, but all the necessary procedures were followed as the medical emergencies.
So is there any day deployment of doctors?
We are working out, but not only like in CSC Maoyong, but with other areas also, because like I already mentioned, because we are really in short of doctors in many PACs and CSCs. So definitely we are working, and then I would like through the media, I like to inform that we have got the sanction from finance to recruit another 150 doctors on contractual basis. So very soon we are conducting the recruitment.
So another concern here is
because all of this time, because as you can see that this futsal thing is just starting to come up at a very initial stage, but no doubt it is coming like in big number. Like you already mentioned, it has become one of the livelihood of the people out here. So definitely we have to sit on this and find a way, because at the same time also we cannot just come up with any restriction or any SOP. That also we need to sit along with them, find a way that how we can that the health of the people also should not affect it, and they also will be able to earn. So definitely from the department will look into this and they will come up with the SOP.
Since you are also holding the sports portfolio, so how is it affecting the health, the artificial turf? Ground?
As of now, I can't say anything about that, because we have not done any kind of study. But definitely, because after the incident, so definitely we'll have to. I think we send for kind of a study how its impact on the health of the players and who are the people who are playing. So definitely we'll send for the survey.